All right, last one of the day. Here we have a video of bees working together to open a Fanta bottle. It's gotten millions of views. Play the shortest clip you can possibly play because it's been licensed by Viral Hog, and no, that whole thing is a nightmare.
Oh, man,
That's my night. That's what I wake up in the middle of the night. Notice from Viral Hog. I wake up in a cold sweat.
Well, let's just go through this Ford ad first.
The Ford ad is fine. They're not gonna. They don't care. They're like, yeah, cool, free Ford ad. Shout out to Ford. Bigger displays, the new Lightning, 2021 wireless Apple CarPlay. Shout out to Ford, man.
This is the new one, not the Lightning.
No, not the Lightning. It's the new hybrid model. So it's a little bit of both, but. Yeah, I had Ford trucks over the years. You know this. Yeah. Anyway, so you have two bees, and people are like, look how smart these bees are. We got to watch this millions of times. And basically what happens is these play a tiny section right here, Will. Play it. Go. Crazy. There. Apparently,
look at that.
These two bees work together to unscrew the top of the Fanta bottle.
Get that sweet, sweet nectar.
One of them is moving one direction, on one side of the bottle, like pushing with its head. The thing is already partially off, and the other one is helping on its end to push the same way until the thing comes off. Now, somebody must give them a head start, depending, how this thing couldn't be fully tightened on here. So I'm a bit curious about that. They're filming it. Yeah. I don't know. I feel like somebody's been training these bees over here. These aren't regular bees.
Yeah.
Or did they just film it long enough for the thing to fall off? I don't know if there's any trickery involved. But the fact of the matter is, you can watch the clip and see that something the bees did definitely cleared the lid of the Fanta bottle. You can watch as they work in tandem and the thing comes loose. So you take it for whatever it is, however you want to perceive it. But maybe bees know something you don't. Maybe bees are coming for your Fanta.
Yeah.